Hi again everybody, it's Sweetie, and today I'm going to be drinking tea with...
me. Thank you so much. I need you to do all my intros for me. I like how that felt a lot better.
Oh, I'm glad.
Just cannonballing in here. Yeah. But yes, today we are doing a video with Mayfield again. Yay! And this time she has her own channel set up, ready to go. So that will be plugged down below. Definitely go check that out. But today we are bringing you some new, very special teas. Teas that I have custom made myself. I used a website called Adagio where you can make pretty much any kind of custom tea you want. There's a lot of cool ones for like animes, like book characters, all sorts of stuff like that. But I decided to make some teas based on two popular Lolita brands and one for myself. So I made teas for the brand Angelic Tea. How do you pronounce it? Moi.
Oh, no one knows. I think I looked it up once and it was like moi mi moi.
Hoi mi noi.
Mi hoi mi noi.
For moi tea. Moi tea. We're just gonna say moi tea. The one that Mana does. So we've got Angelic Tea, moi tea, and then I made one for my channel here, Sweetie Sprout. So we have Angelic Tea, moi tea, and Sweetie Sprout. And I'm really excited. I promise I worked really hard on these, so if they turn out to be gross, it wasn't on purpose.
Well, they smell good, so I think it'll be fine.
Yes, yeah, good sign. They did smell good. So we're just gonna go ahead and taste these teas. Hopefully they turn out great. We'll let you know. And in the end, if they are good, you actually are able to go and purchase these teas from Adagio. I do not get any commission or anything like that, so it's not a sponsorship. But if they end up being good and you're interested, I will link below where you can buy them. Let's get to tasting. This is the first time May has been like in a video in the new studio, so it's like we're starting from the ground up.
I don't even think your followers know that I got a septum piercing.
Oh my god, that's right. Yeah, she has a dangly in her nose. Please observe it.
So much has changed, guys.
It's like we're in a whole new world. The first tea that we're going to taste is the Angelic Tea, and I did take notes on the flavors that I smashed together. So this tea is a custom blend of 40% raspberry green tea, 40% summer rose tea, 20% vanilla green tea, and I also added sprinkles into it because why not? I can actually see in the cup, like around the edge, the little sprinkle bits. Like
it's kind of like a confetti effect, isn't it?
Yeah! So they also gave me like a little packet of rock sugar in my shipment. Would you like any little bits of rock sugar for your tea? Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, so let's I'm gonna do like some so the dog action is short little sniffs, is that right? Okay, I'm
really panicked smelling.
So panicked smelling, here we go. It is faintly floral, maybe a bigger sniff will help.
Yeah, it just smells like rose tea. What did you say was in it?
Summer rose and raspberry. Okay, so now we can use our little spoons and we'll do... Oh god. Oh, that's right, the tasting was special. So you put it in your mouth, you hold it in your mouth, you inhale through your nose completely, and then you swallow it.
Tasting wine.
And it does make a difference, we assure you. Okay.
Girl, that's sprinkles.
It's sprinkle
and
flavored.
flowers.
It's flower and sprinkle flavored. You know, I wish there was more of the raspberry flavor, but I'm not mad at sprinkles and flowers. Like,
yeah, no,
frankly,
it's not bad, but it's just not what I expected.
Yeah, not at all. Huh? Okay. Well, I'm glad the first tea has not been a failure per se. I would definitely drink the rest of this. Actually,
I think so too.
And I love like on the inside of the cup as you drink it, there's even more of the sprinkles. This is just sprinkle flavored tea, which I think is actually perfect for Angelic Pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the dress I'm wearing has donuts with sprinkles on it and it's from Angelic Pretty, so I think it's a sign. It's perfect. I've made a perfect tea. So this one, I'm okay. I'm fine with it. I have like a tiny little travel tin of it. I think I will definitely use the rest of it. But I'm excited to move on to another tea. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. The next tea we are tasting is very different in profile than the Angelic Pretty. This is the Moi tea, and I will give you the breakdown for the flavor profile. We have 40% Earl Grey lavender, 40% white blueberry, 20% ginger, and then I added cornflowers, which are blue flowers, which did absolutely nothing to color the tea. I thought it would, but you were right. That Earl Grey is just too dark. So let us begin with the smelling, the dog action, very carefully. Ooh, oh, there's the flavor. Yeah, so much more like scented than the previous one. There's a lot more going on. Okay. Oh, I got that Earl Grey that second time. With the dog action.
Beyond Earl Grey lavender?
Lavender, blueberry, and
That's
ginger.
What it is. It's a lavender and blueberry.
Yep, yeah, the dog action gives it more of a fruit forward smell, and the deep inhale, I get more of that like Earl Grey, like earthy. Now, usually I don't prefer Earl Grey, but I think this is gonna be a winner with the lavender. Ooh, I actually really like how dirt flavored that is.
You're learning.
I like it a
lot.
Let me like.
See, it all starts with fruity teas and really sugary teas, and then one day you're just drinking dirt water.
Ooh, that is so nice. I think the lavender like cuts that deep like dirt taste a little bit. That's really nice.
Wow, that's the winner for me. This is good.
This is an Earl Grey I can get down with. Big surprise, I actually prefer this to the Angelic Pretty tea.
Yeah, I didn't see that coming.
Me neither. Yay! Another good tea blend I did. Yeah, and I think it really suits Moi tea. It's like dark and mysterious, but that like blueberry gives it like a bright pop of fruity flavor, like the blue against the black of Moi tea. It's art. It's art.
It brings depth.
We made art. All right, so we have one more tea left. I will let you finish your cup and I will prepare the next tea. So the final tea, I hope and presume this will be my favorite because this is the sweet tea sprout flavor, and the profile is 40% white peach, 40% cherry green, 20% vanilla with little ginger bits sprinkled in. I wanted to make it a combination of like what my channel like inspires a feeling of, but also stuff that like I would personally like, because you know I am the channel, but also you know you gotta have a balance. But I don't think I've ever had like a cherry centric tea before, and definitely not like a peach cherry.
Yeah.
So I'm interested to see how those flavors go together. We will start with panicked sniffing. Ooh,
very fruity.
Very fruit forward, just like me. Okay, I'm very excited to get this.
Oh, gotta do the
taste.
spoon.
Yeah.
The scary spoon thing.
We are proper ladies here. Whoa! It's
about blending your own teas or coming up with your own tea flavors, fruit is like, you can't mess that up.
Fruit, baby.
Yeah, if you don't like tea, fruit tea just tastes so close to juice, especially if you put a ton of sugar in it.
Which we do.
Yeah.
I will never get over how the sip and like the full taste are so different. The quick sip is a lot heavier on the fruit and sugar for me anyway.
Yeah.
But just drinking it normally, it's a lot less like sugar and fruit. Like it's a lot more subtle and like more drinkable.
More balanced.
Yeah, balance, that's the word.
I was just sitting here thinking like, this is the best one that we've tried. It's my favorite. Because you're right, I normally do really like Earl Grey teas, but this one just like, the balance is really good, so I feel like you can't beat that.
Sweet tea is the perfect tea. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. If you have like a hankering for tea and you want to make something that is like perfectly you and perfectly customized, I would definitely recommend trying Adagio. There's no like fees or anything, which I thought was surprising.
Oh, really?
It's completely free to do. You don't have to like sign up for like a subscription or anything like that. Completely free and also completely fun. I think we definitely decided that the sweet tea sprout tea was #1 in our hearts. So if you would like to try it for yourself, definitely head over to Adagio. I will link it down below again for you guys if you would like to try it out. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. But wait, Mae, check behind your pillow.
What? What? Oh my god, you did it again!
I got her again. And yes,
Oh my
this
goodness.
is leftover Christmas wrap because I have nothing else.
Here's your ribbon,
Yes,
ma'am.
thank you.
Oh, wow!
I made her a custom tea based on her channel, Mae's Mortem.
How did you get my channel art?
I had to recreate it. Here, let me show it to the camera. So this is like my best recreation of the art for her channel.
I was like, I didn't give you that PDF, did
No,
I?
I had to, it was totally bootleg. I had to screenshot it on my phone, and then I had to Photoshop this into a PNG.
Oh my goodness.
And then I had to like
Heather.
search for a background that matched it, but let me tell you the flavor profile.
Oh, please do.
So it is 40% Earl Grey lavender,
Oh, hell yeah.
40% pomegranate, and 20% gunpowder, whatever that means.
I know what that means. I love that stuff.
Oh yeah. And then I
it's
put
like earthy.
like little ginger sprinkles in there too. So
Yay.
that was like my
Wow.
interpretation of like the vibe your channel gave me. It's like plenty of flavor, but also like smoky and mysterious and
Wow.
cool. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That's good. These are those moments where it's like, wow, you really do love me.
But I know in the beginning of your videos, you always offer us a tasty beverage before you go into your storytelling. So now you can share your tea with the audience. So if you would like to share a lovely cup of Mae's Mortem tea, go to Adagio, but also go over to Mae's channel and watch her content. She does really amazing like cult and crime storytelling, and it's really incredible.
Thanks.
And yeah.
Thanks, Heather.
Of course, you're
Oh my
welcome.
fucking
Thank
God.
you for being on my channel with me and doing these videos. I know it's a lot, so I appreciate you. So if you guys would like to see more of my Lolita content and definitely more of Mae in the future, I would definitely suggest hitting that subscribe button down below or the thumbs up. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. But we're gonna go enjoy the rest of our day. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye, guys.